students, in the previous class we studied what is elasticity and what are the 5 degrees of elasticity. In this class we will study how to measure this elasticity or how to calculate elasticity numerically or mathematically. There are various methods for calculating elasticity. The most useful method and popular method is proportionate method. It is also called the percentage method of calculating elasticity. And there are two methods, two formula for calculating elasticity. The first one is percentage change in demand divided by percentage change in price. That is the first way of calculating elasticity. And the second one is delta Q divided by delta P into P by Q. P by Q. Depending upon the type of question, we can use any of these formula to calculate elasticity. In this formula, delta Q is change in quantity, and delta P is change in price, and P is initial price and Q is initial demand. When we do an example, it will be more clear to you. Suppose the demand schedule of a commodity is given. Price and demand, or it is called the demand schedule. The price of a commodity is 50 and the demand of commodity is 1000. When price increases to 70, demand decreases to 750. Calculate elasticity. First we have to calculate delta Q. Delta Q. What is delta Q? Change in quantity demanded due to change in price. Usually students make a mistake that they take new demand as delta Q. That is not correct. What is the change in demand? What happened to change in demand or demand with the change in price? Here, what is the net effect on demand due to change in price? That is 250. വില വ്യത്യാസപ്പെട്ടതിൻ്റെ ഫലമായിട്ട് ഡിമാൻഡിൽ എത്രമാത്രം വ്യത്യാസം സംഭവിച്ചു? ഇവിടെ 250 വ്യത്യാസം സംഭവിച്ചത്. 1000 ആയിരുന്നു, ഇപ്പോൾ 750 ഉള്ളൂ. That means demand decreased by 250. So delta Q is 250. And delta P, what is change in price? Not in new price but change in price. Change or price increased by 20 rupees. So delta P is 20. Then P is initial price. That is 50. New initial price 50. And Q, initial quantity. Original quantity was 1000. So Q is 1000. Now we can substitute this value into the formula. Delta Q 250 divided by P, that is 20, into P by Q. P 50, original quantity 1000. Then divided by 20,000. 20,000, that is equal to 0.625. 0.625. That means here the value that we got is less than 1. So we can come to the conclusion that elasticity is less elastic. The elasticity of this product is less elastic. That is the way of using this formula for calculating elasticity. Now suppose there is a question like this. The price increased by 50%. Price increased by 50% and demand decreased by 100%. Calculate elasticity. Can we apply this formula for calculating elasticity? No, because changing price is given in percentage base. So we can apply this formula. What is change in demand? Change in demand is 100. What is change in price? 50% is change in price. So we get elasticity 2. Elasticity is equal to 2. This is the way of using this formula for calculating elasticity. Depending upon the type of question, we can use any of this formula for calculating elasticity. I hope you understand clearly to use proportionate method for calculating elasticity. Okay, thank you.